high school students across the nation get ready to graduate in a year or two, they are asking themselves, what is the possibility of going to college, even an Ivy League college? How do I get ready, or how will I pay for it? These questions are typical for students to ask. What a student should do if they are curious should be to research the college that they are interested in to get a clear idea of what the college offers. So what do you think, Marquita?
I think that even though college may be very hard, researching it is also a good idea. And making sure that you have the great plan, a good enough plan, that so, like, you know what you're doing when you get to college. And you're just not, like, sitting there and you're staring at the paper like, what
That's
do I do?
a great idea, Marquita.
Okay.
As a 10th grader in my high school, I want to be prepared for
Me
school.
too.
This is where my research skills come in handy. My plan is to become a veterinarian or a forensic anthropologist, and I plan to attend Humboldt State University in Arcata, California. I researched the admission requirements for Humboldt, and out of 1,261 applicants in 2013, 76% got accepted. What does this mean? It means that at Humboldt, you may have a higher chance of getting accepted
That's
compared to other universities who offer same courses but only have about 30% acceptance rate.
So do you think you can get in?
Yes, I do, because I have like my GPA is higher than a 3.0. It's about a 3.30 something, 40 something.
That's good.
So that's pretty good.
Confidence is the key.
Yes, confidence. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get out of the ghetto. Yes.
Of the ghetto.
As a Latino, I believe that college is important because if you go to a good school and decide you want to.
Keep going. Keep going. He'll cut it.
As a Latino, I believe that college is important because if you do good in school and you decide that you want to go to college, you will be able to get out of the situation that you are in. And for example, I always hear Latinos saying that they want to get out of the ghetto, just as I stated earlier, but I'm actually going to make it happen. If you want to do that, the right way you need to do, you have to go to college. To go to college. But you can get a good education with that and paying job, and you will be. That doesn't make sense. I messed up. Can I start over?
No.
It's because it's like messy.
Read it.
As a Latino, I believe that college is important because if you go to a good school, no, I messed up again. As a Latino, I believe that college is important because if you go. Okay, again, cut. As a Latino, I believe that college is important because if you do good in school and decide that you want to go to college, you will be able to get out of the situation that you are in. For example, I always hear Latinos saying that they want to get out of the ghetto. If you want to do that the right way, you need to go to college so that you can get a good education. With that good education, you can get a good paying job. You will be able to afford the life that you want without having to work as hard as you would if you didn't have an education. For my college research, the most interesting thing that I discovered was that Humboldt offers very good courses for people interested in majoring in the science field. For those of you who are not sure what to do in order to prepare for college, I offer my plan so that we can be ready. First, I plan to remake any classes that I have missed or failed. Second, I will study so that I could do good on my SATs and ACTs so that I have a better chance at getting accepted at a university of my choosing. Third, I must apply to at least 5 universities and wait for the results. I've realized that getting ready for college requires for you to be responsible and to try your hardest because there is competition out there. As you can see, preparing for college begins by getting good grades since middle school, learning to take orders. Doing good in school and going to college are important for your education, so do it. Get good grades and you won't regret it. In the future, remember, knowledge is power. We are all handed the same opportunities. Some of us just choose to go the bad way. Having an education will help you climb up to be somebody. Bill Gates, for example, came from a poor family, but because he tried hard, he got to where he wanted to be. and he didn't go. He like dropped out, but he had a good idea, so you could drop out. But if you have a good idea, that's gonna make you rich. But I'm just saying. For Luskin Academy, this is Adriana Alfaro. Have a good day. Yes.